Hello student, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsha Mida and I am going to tell you the trick to recognize whether the given number is prime or not. So let's consider one example, is 161. Alright, with this example I will tell you how you can find whether this number is prime or not. Also you can apply this trick with any other number. So what we have to do? We have to find the square of any natural number. Okay? What is the condition? Which should be greater than the given number. What we have to do? We have to find the square of any natural number which should be greater than the given number. So what is the given number? 161. So how to find? Let's try. So 10 square is 100. It's not greater than 161. Let's try with 11. 11 square is 121. This is also not greater than 161. Let's try with 12. 144. This is also not greater. Let's try with 13 square. 169. So if you know very well, you can skip from this to this also. Alright. So here we are finding 169 is greater than 161. So how you got 169? By multiplying 13 two times. Okay. So see here 13. So consider 13. We have to consider 13. And we have to list all the prime numbers which is less than 13. Now write all the prime number. Write all the prime numbers which is less than 13. Than 13. So after writing the prime number, what are the prime numbers which are less than 13? So that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now what you have to do? With these numbers, you have to check whether the given number is divisible or not. So let's try whether this number is divisible or not. Let's take 161. So unit digit is 1. You know the divisibility rule very well, that if the last digit is even, then it is divisible by 2. It's not even, it's odd, so it is not divisible by 2. Cut. Now you see for 6, not divisible by 2, it's not. Now 161, with 3 we'll check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What is the rule? We have to add all the digits. So here when we are adding this 1 plus 6 plus 1, what we are getting? We are getting 8. 8 is not coming in table of 3. So it is also not divisible by 3. Now check. The last digit should be 5. Last digit should be 5 or 0. It's not 5 or 0. So it means it is not divisible by 5 also. And for 7, what is the divisibility rule? If you don't know, I have already made a video on the divisibility rule of 7. Watch that video. The link is given in below description. Alright. So see here what is the divisibility rule of 7. So you have to multiply this, the unit digit, with 2. That is 2, and subtract from 14. So here 14 is divisible by 7. So this number 161 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So 161 is divisible by 7. So it has how many factors? Now it has 3 factors. Now what are the factors? 1, 7 and 161. So this is not a prime number. Why? What is the definition of a prime number? Prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. But now we have got 3 factors. What are the 3 factors? 1, 7 and 161. But you can check till this number only. Alright. So let's see another example. Now let's see another example, that is 83. So what we have to do, in the first example I have already told you, you have to find the square of any natural number which should be greater than 83. Alright. So what? Let's try with 9. 9 square is 81. It's not greater. Let's try with 10. So 10 square is 100. So it is greater than 83. So we can write 100 is greater than 83. But how you got 100? 10 into 10 you have done. Alright, now consider 10. Consider 10 and you have to write all the prime numbers. Write all the prime numbers which are numbers which are less than 10. So what are the prime numbers less than 10? That is 2, 3, 5, 7. Alright, these are 4 prime numbers which are less than 10. Now with these prime numbers, we have to check 83 whether this prime numbers divide 83 or not. If it divides, then this number is going to be composite number. If it not divides, it means this number is a prime number. So let's check with 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? The last digit should be even. It's not even, so it is not divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 2. What is the divisibility rule of 3? 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, 11 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. 5 or 0. So here no 5, no 0. So it is not divisible by 5 also. And divisibility rule of 7 says that you can check because it is already 2-digit number. 7 in 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. Alright, and 30. So it is not divisible by 7 also. So it means that, what does it mean? It means it is not divisible by any of the prime number. So this 83 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. I hope this video is helpful for you. Try this trick. You can check the bigger number also, whether the given bigger number is prime or composite. So apply this trick and try to follow the trick, and do comment, like, share my channel. Thank you everyone.